Biology Tricks.
Hi everyone. In continuation to our online class, here we are going to discuss about a wonderful topic from bioresource technology. So that is none other than bioremediation. So especially bioremediation of pesticides will be discussed in this video. Bioremediation. So as in our style, so if you separate the term bioremediation, you will get two types of terms. One is bio and one is remedy. So we all know very well about what is meant by a bio. So bio means it is a living organism. So it might be a bacteria, or it might be a plant, or it might be an organism, or even it might be a virus in some cases. Remedy. So what is the meaning of remedy? So remedy means it is a problem. It is a solution for a problem, to clear something, to find a solution for some problem. So that is called remedy. For example, in our home remedy for treating our various diseases, we use our home remedy, right? Home prepared medicines, that is called as a remedy. So here, treating an environment problem with the help of biological organisms, that is called as bioremediation. For example, in our environment, we can see different types of pollutions, right? So starting from air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution, and go on, we can add etc also. So those pollutions are created by, some pollutions are created by nature and some pollutions are created by our man-made activities. So all these pollutions are finally effects in human activity or human health. So to cure such pollutions, we need some biological organisms. To treat such pollutions, we use biological organisms. Such techniques are called as bioremediation, right? Okay. So we will start with the definition. So for definition of a bioremediation can be written like this: to clean up the pollutants of our environment by using biological organism. That biological organism might be a unicellular or multicellular organism, right? Okay. So our topic is also connected with the pesticide. So bioremediation of a pesticide. So what is the meaning of pesticide? Generally we know the meaning of pesticide. It is a chemical or it is an ingredient used in agriculture industries or agriculture area. So pesticide is also have some specific meaning. So if you separate the term pesticides, you will get two types of term, pest and side. So we know the meaning of pest. So pest means which is an organism or insect which kills or which reduces the target or yield of the agriculture activity. So side means it is a killing agent or toxic agent or chemical substance which is used to kill any organism. So whenever you see a side, so it is a suffix word. So if you see the suffix end with the side means it denotes it is an agent that kills the organism which is having a connection with the term, right? So whenever you see the term side, so in before the term, if any term is there means, so that term denotes a chemical substance which is going to kill that particular living organism. Okay. So here pesticides means a chemical substance which is going to used for killing the pest in agriculture activity, right? So what is the problem here in using pesticide? So pesticide means we know very well. So pesticide is a chemical, it is a chemical substance or natural substance. Okay. So in more case, chemical substances only being used because so due to the human overpopulation, we are unable to feed all of them with our natural agriculture activity. So that only we are using some chemical substances in the form of chemical fertilizer or in the form of insecticides and also pesticides. But natural pesticides is also available, but if you are using natural pesticides means that will not give that much effect. So that only people are going for using chemical substances. So with the over and over usage of these chemical substances, which will affect in our biological metabolism and also it will create some diseases also. Okay. So for that purpose only we are in need of treating such pesticides in our agriculture land or in our environment. So we are using this bioremediation technology, right? So what is the purpose of using pesticide? So the main purpose of pesticide using is to kill the pest present in the agriculture area, right? So to kill the microorganism or to kill the insects or to kill some organisms present in the agriculture area. So we need some chemical substances so that only it will not affect the growth of the plant, so that it will give more and more yield, so that the farmer will have more harvest. For that purpose only the pesticides are used in the field. Okay. So what is the cause of pesticide? So if you ask the cause of pesticides, it will not immediately reflect, but the over usage of pesticides will affect the environment first. So it is not immediately going to reveal its effect, but later it will show its effect on biological matter or in environment. So it will affect the soil and also water, right? So most of the abiotic factor around us will be polluted, right? If soil and water gets polluted by pesticides, means ultimately the living organisms which are all dependent on soil and water will get polluted or gets infected. For example, started from microbes and small insects like earthworm, birds, fishes, and finally we human. So human also in the last category will be affected if soil and water gets polluted by a pesticide, right? An example. So what might be an example? So DDT, like that, insecticides will be applied in the agriculture area to increase the productivity. These toxic chemicals are being used, so we are unable to stop the usage of chemical pesticides and chemical fertilizer because we are independent of yield. But we should overcome the problem, right? So if we are unable to, if we are not at all starting to do the degradation of pesticides, means it will definitely reflect in our health activity. So that only we are targeting bioremediation to clean the pesticides from our environment. Okay. So what are the different types of pesticides available in the market? So pesticide means it is not as such a single chemical, which is a different varieties are available, right? So algaecides. So algaecides means it is a the term contains suffix with side, right? The term contains side, so it is a toxic agent. To what? To an algae. So algaecide is a chemical agent which is toxic to an algae, so it is called an algaecide. So if you found in your place more algae is present, means you can free to use algaecide, so that the growth of the algae will be under control. In similarly, you can use bacterialcides, right? So there is a toxic substance called bacterialcides. So if you use this, you can control the growth and multiplication of the bacteria. So similarly, fungicide is there to control the growth of the fungi, and insecticide is there to control the growth of any type of insects. Insecticides are broad category, so there are different types of insecticides are available according to the nature of the insect. So similarly, nature of the pest or nature of the target, the chemical composition of the pesticide also will vary. So all these things are all commonly denotes the common category of pesticide. So nematicides means which controls the growth of nematodes. So if you you can come across the term insecticide, right? So insecticide means it is a chemical substance which is used to kill the population of insect present in the agriculture land. So if you see the term, you can remember one thing, Bt cotton. So if you are a biotechnologist, you could remember the term called Bt cotton. So Bt cotton means nothing. It is a transgenic plant which is produced from a gene incorporation with a toxic crystal protein from Bacillus thuringiensis. And also, if you see, there are different types of bioremediation method is available. Some of they are phytoremediation, mycoremediation, and pycoremediation. So if you see the term phytoremediation means bioremediation process which is using the biological organism is plant. So if plant is used for cleaning the environment pollution means that is called a phytoremediation. So mycoremediation means a fungi organism is used means that process is called as mycoremediation. In case of macroalgae or microalgae is used for the bioremediation process means such technique is also called as pycoremediation. So similarly, there are different types of remediation processes available to clean up the environment pollutions. So all these environment pollutions are highly affected our human health. So that only bioremediation process is very essential in our biotechnology subject. Thank you.